Hi there, this tutorial is to help you set up your LinkedIn account and connect it to CentShare and then schedule a post to your LinkedIn account. So first things first, I am already logged into my LinkedIn account on another screen. And so from here, we're going to go to the My Networks page. And across the top here, you can see where it has the LinkedIn tab. And I'm going to click on the LinkedIn tab. And this says add your LinkedIn account to schedule posts with CentShare. So I have to click this button right here to attach my LinkedIn account. Now, like I said, I'm already logged in over on another tab to LinkedIn. And once it loads, you will see that it has connected my LinkedIn account right here. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click the heart from teal to navy because that means that I want to be able to post to it. And when I come to my Networks page and this all loads, you will be able to see down here that my LinkedIn account is now loaded and is connected. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then I want to use this blog post that we just did on CentShare. I'm going to copy the link at the top of the page and come back to CentShare. And I'm going to paste this into here. And I'm going to connect it. And I'm going to schedule this right to my LinkedIn account. And it connected there, and you can see it, and then it's just like it was normal. I'm going to come here and choose a date and time that I want it to post. So we'll choose like 3 o'clock today, and it's going to my LinkedIn account, and I click schedule post, and that's it.